Hello children, good morning. How are you all? Today we are going to learn Unit 2, a poem Bird Talk. Okay. Do you think birds feel people funny? और लोग सोचते हैं कि people are funny. लोग क्यों सोचते हैं? ये पोएम में हम वन पैराग्राफ आफ्टर हम एक्सप्लेन करते जाएंगे, आपको बताते जाएंगे कि बर्ड्स को क्यों ऐसा लगता है कि पीपल आर फनी, विचित्र, एकदम फनी क्यों है. अब ये जो दो बर्ड्स है, एक रॉबिन और एक जय है, तो एक दूसरे को कहते हैं कि थिंक रॉबिन थिंक जय सिटिंग इन द गार्डन टॉकिंग वन डे. सोचो सोचो रॉबिन, सोचो सोचो जय. और लोग कहाँ पे बैठे? एक दिन गार्डन में बैठे. गार्डन में हम लोग जाते हैं ना खेलने के लिए और फ्रेश एयर लेने के लिए, खेलने के लिए, वॉक के लिए. तो ये लोग गार्डन में बैठे एक ट्री पे, ब्रांच के ऊपर, और एक दूसरे को सोचते हैं. सो see here, this is Robin and this is Jay. Where they are sitting on a branches. Where they are sitting on a branch. So think about people, the way they grow. अभी ये लोग सोचते हैं कि people कैसा ग्रो करते हैं. ये लोग जब छोटे होते, छोटे में से बड़े होते, लोग की विंग्स बढ़ती है, तो लोग मतलब ये लोग बड़े हो गए, तो लोग पीपल का बोलते हैं कि पीपल जो ह्यूमन बींग्स है वो ग्रो किस तरह से हो गए, लोग बड़े किस तरह से होते हैं. दे डोंट हैव फेदर्स एट ऑल. यू नो, उन लोग को फेदर्स नहीं होते हैं. दे डोंट हैव फेदर्स, ये लोग को फेदर्स बिल्कुल नहीं होते हैं. दे डोंट हैव फेदर्स. एंड वो लोग ग्रो कैसे होते हैं, उन लोग को पजलिंग लगता है. दे डोंट ईट बीटल्स, दे डोंट ग्रो विंग्स, दे डोंट लाइक सिटिंग ऑन वायर्स एंड थिंग्स. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल ह्यूमन बींग्स के लिए लोग क्या सोचते, लोग बीटल्स नहीं खाते, छोटे छोटे कीड़े मकोड़े होते वो लोग. और क्या, लोग के पास विंग्स भी नहीं है, फेदर्स जो पिंक विंग्स होते हैं वो भी वो लोग के मिसिंग है. एंड दे डोंट लाइक टू सीट ऑन वायर एंड थिंग्स. और जो वायर्स होते हैं, इलेक्ट्रिक वायर होते हैं, कोई भी वायर होता है, तो वायर पर हम बर्ड्स को देखते हैं झूला झूलते हैं कि बैठे हुए हैं, तो लोग सोचते हैं ह्यूमन बींग्स उस पर क्यों नहीं बैठते हैं. वाई दे कांट सिट. This thing said the robin, thing said Jay, aren't people funny? Is to be that way? Aren't people funny to be that way? यहाँ पे रॉबिन क्या कहता है और जय एक दूसरे को कि फिर से सोचो. और आपको ऐसा लगता नहीं यहाँ के जो पीपल है वो फनी है, विचित्र है, क्योंकि उनकी सब चीज़ें जो है एकदम फनी वे में होती है, इसके वजह से. Now we are going to learn new words. What we are going to learn? New words. First is what? Beetle. B-E-E-T-L-E-S. Beetles. B-E-E-T-L-E-S. Beetles. Then the second word is what? Sitting. Means to sit. Sitting. S-I-T-T-I-N-G. Sitting. Then another word is what? Wires. W-I-R-E-S. Wires. And the last one is what? Funny. F-U-N-N-Y. Funny. So all these are the new words for you today. Okay children, now next exercise is what? Now write 4 sentences on bird using the following words. What we have to do here, in the box the words are given. The first one is nest, water, chirp, fly, sky, wings. Now according to these words we have to write few sentences related to the birds. Now what is the first one? Nest. N-E-S-T, nest. So what will write the first sentence? Birds live in the nest. What is the first one? Birds live in the nest. Bird live in the nest. What is the second? Water. W-A-T-E-R, water. Birds drink water when they are thirsty. What is the second one? Water. Water means what the birds do? Birds drink water when they are thirsty. So for water, what we have written? Birds drink water when they are thirsty. The third one, C-H-I-R-P, chirp. Chirp. They chirp loudly in the morning. Yes. Have you seen the birds early morning when we get up? Birds also get up before us. And they chirp, means the noise of the sound of the birds which they make is chirp. C-H-I-R-P, chirp. And what they do loudly in the morning. Mostly we find the chirping sound of the birds in the morning. Now the next word is fly. What is the next word? Fly. F-L-Y, fly. What is it? Birds fly above the houses and roads. Now, but natural birds have wings, they have feathers. So, with the help of feathers, birds fly above the houses and roads. Where do the birds fly? Yes, birds fly above the houses and above the house and the roads. The birds fly above the house and roads. We find them. What is the next word? Next word is sky. What is the next word? Sky. What we have sentence over here? Sky. Birds fly in the sky. Where do birds fly? Birds fly in the sky. They usually we find them flying in the sky. And the last one is wings. What is the last one? Wings. W-I-N-G-S. Wings. So what do you know about the word wings? Wings are called feathers also. So we'll read the sentence over here. Wings. Birds have wings to fly to wherever they want. Over here, what do the birds do? Birds have wings to fly wherever they want. With the help of the wings, the birds, you can see, they fly from one tree to another tree, or they sit even on a windowsill on the balcony, or we find them on the terrace also, right? So birds fly with the help of the wings. Now we'll go to the next page. Now what is the next page? The next page is write words that rhyme with the words given below. Here are the rhyming words. We have to write the words with the words given below, and the first one has been done for us. What is the first one? Example is given to us how we have to do. Now in the box over here, first one is what? G-R-O-W, grow. The rhyming word of grow will be K-N-O-W, no, and then T-H-R-O-W, throw. T-H-R-O-W, throw. T-H-R-O-W, throw. Now we will go to the another word. Another word is what? Day. D-A-Y, day. D-A-Y, day. So what is the day rhyming word? B-A-Y, bay. And then another is say. S-A-Y, say. D-A-Y, day. B-A-Y, bay. S-A-Y, say. Now we'll go to another word. Think. T-H-I-N-K, think. So what we'll write? Blink. B-L-I-N-K, blink. S-I-N-K, sink. S-I-N-K, sink. Now we'll go to the another word. Funny. F-U-N-N-Y, funny. So what is the rhyming word of funny? B-U-N-N-Y, bunny. And another is S-U-N-N-Y, sunny. Funny, bunny, sunny. Now we'll go to another word. Eat. E-A-T, eat. So what we'll write? Rhyming word meat. M-E-A-T, meat. N-E-A-T, neat. So eat rhyming word is what? Eat, meat, neat. Now another rhyming word is what? Sing. S-I-N-G, sing. So rhyming word is T-H-I-N-G, think. K-I-N-G, king. So sing, think, king. We'll read all the rhyming words together, children. Okay. Grow, know, throw. Day, bay, say. Think, blink, sing. Funny, bunny, sunny. Eat, meat, neat. Sing, think, king. So this is your rhyming words. Now few words are given down. We have to just read it. So we will read it aloud. T-H-I-N-K, think. T-H-I-N, thin. H-A-T-H-R-E-E, three. We will read again the rhyming words which are given down. Say aloud. T-H-I-N, think. T-H-I-S, this. T-E-N, ten. T-H-I-N, thin. T-H-A-T, det. T-O-P, top. T-H-R-E-E, three. T-H-R-O-U-G-H, though. And T-A-N-K, tank. So we will read think, this, ten, thin, that, top, three, though, tank. So dear children, I hope you have followed this exercise very well, and you have to write this with neat and good handwriting in your textbook. Thank you.